So here's our Leetcode problem for the day, number 27, remove element. In this one, you have a list of numbers and a value that's given. In this example, the value is 2, so whatever the value is, you take it outside of the list of numbers. So in this case, the output should be 5, which is the length of what's left, and you can just see there's 0, 1, 4, 0, 3 left inside, and all the 2's have been removed from the list up there. So we're going to come up with an algorithm and solve this problem. So these are the inputs that are given to us to start. I would first have a variable that I just named count to initialize. So I would have that over here as a counter. Then I would want to start a for loop for I in, let's say, range len of nums. So in this case, I is equal to 0 first iteration in the loop. And this range over here is going to give us 4 since there's 4 elements in the list. So our I is going to go through 4 values, 0, 1, 2, and 3, since it's 0 indexed. Okay, so we want to check if the first element, which is num's count, in this case 3, is equals to val, which is also 3. And if it is, we want to take that number off. So the function for that we're going to use is pop. And we're gonna put down count over here. So count is 0 in the first iteration. This whole thing over here is 3. This val over here is 3, so it's true in the first condition. It takes out the 3 from the list over here. If it's not equal to each other and this if statement does not get executed, then you would just want to increase the count regardless to move on to the next number. This code should work, but there is an issue. The issue is over here. So let's say you have your list here. And let's say you go through the first iteration, you find 3 is equal to 3, so you remove the 3 outside the list. All you have left inside now is 1, 1, and 3. Notice this becomes 0 indexed, this becomes 1 indexed, and this becomes 2 indexed. In the original list though, this one was 0 indexed, this one was 1 indexed, this one was second, and this one was third. So here's the issue. At the end, they're gonna add 1 to the count, so the count's gonna go to 1. And you're going to end up skipping the 0 indexed number 1. To compensate for that, you need to subtract a 1 off the count variable after you're done popping it out the list to move the index to the left, if that makes sense. So this should work now, and after you're done with the for loop, you need to return the length of the nums list over here. And that should be it. Now we just submit it and check the time complexity. Hopefully everything's good, fingers crossed. Yeah, that's all good. If you guys made it till the end here, I just wanted to know how you get a goddamn job. Now, I just wanted to know if you guys had any suggestions on any other problem I should do on Leetcode, or if there's a completely different series you have in mind that I should do, or if you just had a better solution for this problem. See you in the next one.